basal ganglia pathway. There are two pathways: direct pathway, which facilitates the movements, and indirect pathway, which inhibits the movements. So first let's see the direct pathway. So motor cortex stimulates the striatum, which is the caudate nucleus and putamen. So motor cortex stimulates the striatum, and then this striatum then inhibits the globus pallidus interna. Globus pallidus interna normally inhibits the ventrolateral nucleus of thalamus, so that movement is not occurring. Here, striatum inhibits the globus pallidus interna, so that the inhibition of ventrolateral nucleus is gone. So that ventrolateral nucleus of thalamus is stimulated, which further stimulates the motor cortex and movement occurs. This is direct pathway. Indirect pathway inhibit movements. How it is occurring now? Normally this globus pallidus interna is stimulated by the subthalamic nucleus, but subthalamic nucleus is inhibited by globus pallidus externa. So motor cortex first stimulates the striatum. This striatum will inhibit the globus pallidus externa. This leads to that loss of inhibition in subthalamic nucleus. So subthalamic nucleus is stimulated. This subthalamic nucleus further stimulates the globus pallidus interna. This inhibits ventrolateral nucleus of thalamus. Globus pallidus interna is stimulated. So this inhibits the ventrolateral nucleus of thalamus, which then leads to inhibition of motor cortex and no movement occurs. So we have seen all the nucleus. Now let's see the substantia nigra. Substantia nigra has both excitatory and inhibitory stimulus. So first in direct pathway substantia nigra through D1 receptor it releases dopamine, and through D1 receptor it stimulates the striatum. But in indirect pathway is for inhibition. You see, so substantia nigra releases dopamine, but it acts via D2 receptor and inhibits the striatum. So substantia nigra has stimulatory action of the striatum on direct pathway and inhibitory action of striatum through D2 receptor on indirect pathway.